guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to transfer from Coinbase to Bybit. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering how to exactly make a transfer here. Well, first things first, since we want to transfer to Bybit, we want to go and get our address here first. So want to go to bybit.com, log in into your account, and just access the deposit button that you see at the top right of the screen. Now from here, you want to go and choose your crypto, so make sure that you're using the correct one. So in this case, I'm going to use ETH. Now, another thing that you want to do here is you want to basically choose your network here that you want to use. So, for example, there are going to be different networks here, but most commonly, if you have ETH, it's going to be Ethereum or ERC20. Now, in order for you to get your address here, you need to provide some verification. That includes your ID card and a selfie here. So, just click on Verify Identity here to get your address. Well, in this case, once you've got your address here, what we need to do next is we just need to basically provide those details or use those details on the transfer itself. So we switch over to our Coinbase account. So what you need to do is you just need to click on the option here that says Send Crypto. And from here, choose your wallet. And in here, you just need to basically select your asset. Now, since we've entered Ethereum before, you need to make sure that you've selected Ethereum here as well. Now, usually when you're making a transfer, this is what you'll be seeing. So in this case, you just need to basically, once you've selected your ETH crypto or your coin or asset, this is what you'll be seeing. So in this case, since we've already selected our wallet, you should be able to see the from section, but you could go and change that if you want to. Now for the destination, you could go and just click on it and just enter the address as well as the network and just enter the amount that you want to basically withdraw. Now, you could go ahead and use max here if you want to withdraw everything, but click on the preview withdrawal here, confirm a few things, review a transaction, and from then on, you just need to confirm it, and you should be good. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.